Samar, Dinagat Islands, Davao Oriental, Southern Leyte, Surigao del Norte, Leyte, and Surigao del Sur. So we strongly advise them to immediately evacuate to higher grounds or move farther inland kasi po pwede pong magkaroon ng tsunami based sa ating simulation, more than 1 meter po above the normal tides and maybe higher on enclosed bays or straits. So expected po natin for the tsunami waves to arrive between 9:43 kanina so hanggang 11:43 mamaya. So and these waves may continue for hours. Ang source po nito would be the Philippine Trench. Nasa dagat po yung epicenter natin and nag-uplat naman po siya malapit sa Philippine Trench. Hindi po, we have our own network so hindi po tayo nagde-depend po sa USGS data kasi our network is more dense than yung sa USGS. Kapag local earthquakes, mas reliable po tayo. Although of course, as we get more information, babaguhin naman po natin yung magnitude calculation. Kapag nakakuha tayo ng iba pang information coming from our seismic stations from our network. Expect more than 1 meter above the normal tides yung wave height. And again, ang sinasabi natin, these waves will arrive between 9:43 a.m. to 11:43 a.m. Ang epicenter po ay nasa dagat. Malapit po ito sa Philippine Trench. So that's the reason why we issued the tsunami warning kasi po nagpa-plot po siya sa dagat. Ay, wala pong this only goes to show that the Philippines is tectonically active, it's seismically active because we have trenches and we have more than 180 active fault segments. So these are all capable of generating minor to even major earthquakes. So it just so happen again, sabay-sabay sila kasi nga marami po tayong trenches and marami po tayong active faults. Okay, so huwag po kayo maniwala sa hula-hula kasi po hindi naman po totoo yan, walang scientific basis. Kahit nga yung unusual animal behavior, wala pong, hindi po yan totoo. Wala pong technology that can tell us exactly when an earthquake will happen.